Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show how to create fake viruses prank and which is completely harmless and then it should be fun to do as well. So before we get started, I have attached a text file onto my Mega Drive, so you can just download that. So first open up Chrome and then open the link which are given in the description. And then when you open it up, you should see a Windows prank text file, so just download it. And then when you open up the text file you should see all kind of codes over here. So let's get started. So the first one is going to be blue screen of death, and for doing this we should save the text file as .bat. So first thing, open up the download the text file, and then you should see a heading as blue screen of death, and then as you can see it says as save as .bat file. So just copy the code, the entire code till NUL. Click on copy, and then open up Notepad and then paste the code over here. As you can see, the whole code has been pasted. So just click on save as and then save wherever you want. For this tutorial I'm just gonna paste on desktop, and I'm gonna give it name as virus. Well, you can give anything, and save it as .bat, and make sure the file system is all files. So now as you can see on the desktop I have virus.bat. So when I open it up, you should see this kind of screen, like everything, like dates, time. So to stop this, just open up Task Manager and then enter cmd and the Windows batch file. So the next one is pop-up window, and for this we should save the code as .vbs. So again open up the code and then head down till you find a pop-up virus. So first thing, make sure you save it as VBS. So just copy this. So copy the code and then open Notepad and then paste the code on the Notepad, and over here you can give whatever text you want. So just give whatever you want and then save it as .vbs. So make sure the type is all files and then name it as whatever you want, .vbs. And then now when you click on it, you should see this kind of error. Well, it's not a virus, it's just like a pop-up error, so whatever, it works. And now the next one is cmd launch loop, and we should save this as .bat. So again open up the downloaded text file and then you should see a pop-up cmd prank. So for this we should save as .bat, and the code is simple, just 3 lines, just copy it. Now open up Notepad again and then paste the code. Now save it as .bat file and make sure the file type is all files and then save it. Now as soon as you launch the bat file, you should see command prompt launching randomly. So this might make your computer a bit slower. So to close it, just go to the taskbar and close all the windows. Now the next one is auto restart, and for this we should save the code as a shortcut. So again, open up the text file and then go to the last section, we should say restart. So for this we should save the code as a shortcut. So now first copy the code and then create a new shortcut on the desktop and then paste the code over here. Now you can give whatever message you want and you can give how much time it requires. So in case if you want 10 seconds, just leave it as 10, or if you want to increase the time, just change the number, and then you can change the text as well. Now click on next. Now over here choose the name, so I'm going to choose it as same virus.exe and then finish. As soon as you click on the file, you should see this kind of pop-up and then the window should go down in 10 seconds. Well, as I have mentioned that much.